Okay, so hello, just wanted to say hi to everybody. I'm gonna flip you back around. Okay, so we are at 193 Winnett. There she is in all her glory. She is a brand spanking new build. No one has ever lived there. It is a gorgeous custom home. We are on Winnett Avenue, just a little bit north of Vaughan Road. So this is facing north right now on Winnett. It's such a great neighborhood. If you walk straight up that way, you're hitting parks and parkettes with lots of playgrounds. You're walking to Leo Beck Private Day School. You're walking to J.R. Wilcox, which is the public school. You're walking to Cedarvale Ravine, which has a dog park and tennis courts and trails and baseball diamonds, and it's a real community hub, and it's about 3 kilometers long of trail. You are also walking distance around the corner actually to Hunter Coffee, which if you ever drive on Vaughan Road, you'll see a lineup at any time of day. It's the best coffee ever. And you're only about a 10-minute walk south to St. Clair, which of course has all the amazing shops, restaurants, gyms, studios, all that stuff, and of course the TTC. So let's start looking at this gorgeous house, 193, which sits on the west side of Winnett. It's a 20 by 80 foot lot. You'll notice this front walk. It is completely hydraulic snow melt. You will never have to shovel the walk up or the stairs ever again. The door and frame are solid mahogany. Like I'm telling you, the details of this house are incredible. So yeah, solid mahogany door and frame. And let's go inside. You'll notice as we walk in, the foyer has storage bench with hooks, more storage, and on the other side, storage closet with hanging, more storage up top. There's an automatic light that comes on, and all of this was custom milled for the space. Open concept. Pot lights throughout. The floor is white oak, wide plank hardwood. Okay, let's start at the front of the house, which is just around this corner here. I'm gonna just take off my shoes. So gorgeous dining room, eating area with a massive window to the front of the house. And I just wanna show you this one little detail here that I love. On the back side of the closet, there's this cute wine shelf situation, which is really, really lovely. And let's look at the kitchen. Caesar stone countertops. This island has built-in microwave, storage, stainless steel KitchenAid dishwasher, double stainless steel deep sink, brushed gold finishes, 5-burner gas KitchenAid range, and uppers galore. Okay, and now I just need to show you this detail. Look at this custom millwork. Like, look at this. Where do you see this? It's stunning. Okay, and self-closing drawers, of course. And look at this pantry. Holla. Custom, gorgeous, beautiful. And uppers and little broom closet. At the end of the breakfast bar, you actually have a breakfast bar. So there's a little table situation for 2 right here. And that's the kitchen. Along the stairs is a glass enclosure. I'll just give you another pan of the kitchen again and of the front of the house. It's a Fisher & Paykel double door stainless steel fridge with more storage on top. And right across from that, 2 things. An Ecobee thermostat. This is a smart house. You can do everything from your phone. It's the coolest thing. And powder room. Look at that vanity. Powder room with a gorgeous LED light. That's with a pocket door. You can see it right there. Okay, and that brings us into the back of the house, which is the living room. And yeah, we're gonna get to that amazing deck in a second. But here's the living room. Again, beautifully detailed TV and storage area. You could easily add hooks to that gray wall back there to make more of a coat situation from the backyard because you might be parking back there. And I will take you. So before we go outside, I just want to kind of explain. This is a composite floor enclosed deck. You see the pot lights. It's a covered deck, so you can enjoy it in the winter and summer. Back there, you'll see an electronic gate for entrance to the parking and to the backyard. I just want to show you this feature. What the seller has done, he's made a remote that opens the door from the house. And of course, you can close it as well. And I should also point out that there is a permit in place for a carport at the back, already existing permit. He decided not to do it, but any new owner could certainly build a carport back here. Look at this stunning, stunning deck. It's huge. And again, it's covered, so it's extra living space all year round. You could easily put heaters in. And here's the backyard. So again, that's the parking. It is, again, hydraulic snow melt. You will never have to shovel, ever, ever. The most amazing thing. And if you want to park on the street, you've got a backyard. Okay. So let me show you from the house, actually. I'll go down. Back of the house. Okay, let's go in. I think we'll go to the basement first before we go upstairs. Okay, so we're heading back into the house now. The ceiling height, by the way, on this main floor is 9 feet, which is quite special. And let's start heading down. So, side entrance, you can easily make this a basement apartment, easily. Walking downstairs, again, white oak. The floor down here is a honed concrete. The entire floor is heated. And I say entire with stress because you'll see how big this basement is in a second. It's a detailed stone on the floor. It's really cool. And right at the bottom of the stairs is laundry. Again, custom milled for the space. And there is rough-in for a sink, laundry sink. If someone wanted to put a sink right there, that could easily be done. And here's the electrical panel. And of course, there's all this storage and gorgeous LG stacked washer and dryer. Right next to this is the mechanical room of all mechanical rooms. It's like a dream come true for people who love mechanical rooms. Sump pump, backwater valve. This funky thing right here is for this hydraulic snow melt. But it is a very sophisticated house. Smart and updated, like more than updated, brand new. Oops, sorry about that. Look at this basement. It is massive, huge. I'll take you through in a second. Bathroom, again, heated floors, medicine cabinet, and glass enclosed shower. So this is a 3-piece bath down here. Storage under the stairs. Another storage closet here. And look at this space. It is enormous. This is the south wall, and it's roughed in for a kitchen. So the builder and seller has designs. He could easily do it for you. And of course, above grade windows. Again, I want to point out these are 10-foot ceilings, 10-foot ceilings. And we decided to stage with a bed at the back because really you could very easily put a drywall wall and make a bedroom back here for a guest suite or a nanny suite, or if you turned it into an apartment to make it a 1-bedroom apartment. So even if the wall was like right here, you'd still have all of this massive space for rec area. Really, this video does not do this basement justice. You really cannot tell how high the ceilings are and how big the space is. So I suggest coming here live to see it for yourself. Let's go upstairs. Okay, headed up now. Just this is the view from going upstairs. Okay, again, the dining room and front door. And gorgeous white oak custom railing, glass enclosed stairs, headed up. Oh, there's so much natural light in this house. It's just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, we're at the top of the stairs. First thing that you will see is another custom laundry area with linen closet. So all of this, tons of storage. Hide the machines, countertop, and of course more storage up here. Here is the pan down the hallway. We'll get to that in a bit. Across from the laundry is the second bathroom. Flower piece, glass enclosed, medicine cabinet, again heated floors. You can always tell if a floor is heated because you'll see a thermostat. The gorgeous stone tile floors. And that brings us to the second bedroom. Look at how big this window is. Gorgeous, cutesy, patootsy room for kids or kid. And I just want to show you this. I'm going to pan around. Look at this. First of all, amazing window. Second of all, look at this storage. Like, look at how much storage and built-in desk for a teenager or kid to do homework. But this is one of the best features. I renovated my whole house and I wish I did this one thing. Look, laundry hamper drawer that comes out. My client, the seller and builder, really did think of everything. It's those little details in this house that make it so, so special. Wide plank white oak floors again, pot lights. Ceiling height up here is I think 8 or 9 feet, 9 feet I think. This is nursery. Cute, sweet window. And continue walking into the primary. First, I want you to notice how big the windows are. Gorgeous. Second, I want you to notice that this is a king-size bed. So lots of room for that. I'm gonna pan around so you can really see the room. There is a powder room. Hi, I'll show you that in a minute. And again, look at this cabinetry. Look at this awesome closet situation. Of course, all with hanging. And yes, again, in this room, the most ultimate laundry drawer. Let me show you the primary ensuite. It's small, but it's there and it's functional and looks fabulous. LED mirror, heated floors. Hi. Floor to ceiling mirror, glass enclosed, gorgeous shower. That's the primary. Look at the light that comes through this room. So let me tell you about a couple of extra features. There is a whole security system inside and outside. Also comes with the house. And this is an interesting thing, and I'm just going to focus on this and explain. So from the outside, this house looks like a 3-story house. I'll show you when we leave. Upstairs through that hatch is a 3rd floor. It's already there. It is not quite finished, but it's drywalled. It's got plumbing. It's ready to go to be finished for a 3rd floor primary ensuite with walk-in, primary bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite. Or you could make it a den, whatever. There is also up there, ready to go, a white oak matching staircase that is already built, lying on its side and ready to go. This third floor could be finished by the builder for, around $50,000 and would likely add $100,000 to $200,000 in value to the property right out of the gate upon completion of that third floor. The buyer will have to get a permit for the third floor, and once that permit is in place, it can be finished. There is a bit of a story of why the permit is not in place, and I'm happy to explain that to you if you'd like to call me. It's a bit of a long explanation, but there are houses on the street that have been permitted for third floor. So there is now a precedent that may not have been in place when my client applied for the third floor. That is now in place. So there's a precedence, and that third floor today would in all likelihood be accepted through committee of adjustments. So if you have any questions about that, call me. I know it's a little confusing, and I'll show you what I mean by the third floor as we say goodbye. So this is just to give you a pan. I'm standing at the top of the stairs. I'm gonna start heading down. Oh, one thing I should tell you, that if you were to open up the third floor, it would be really easy to do. And he made it that way. All you would have to do is take out this one glass panel, this one, and you would take out a little bit of the ceiling, right, up to the hatch right there, and you'd install your staircase, and Bob's your uncle. Okay, so this is 193 Winnett. Again, this is such a special property. The detail and the finishes are incomparable for properties in this location and for this price point. Really, truly, truly a special property. Let me take you outside again. I'll show you what I mean by that third floor. And we'll part ways. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this. We'll get it up on our site so you can watch it again. But there's what I mean by the third floor. So that's an additional 700 square feet up there. That's gonna add a ton of value to this house once it's finished. Thank you so much for joining me today. I want to flip you around. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Enjoy the weather. Happy fall. Have a good day.